Are you tired of the same old stories about space and the moon? Well, get ready for a mind-blowing journey. The NASA probe just unveiled a mind-boggling discovery, a mysterious, colossal mass lurking beneath the lunar surface. Brace yourself, because it's time to accept the undeniable truth. We're not alone in this vast universe. Could there be moon people or a centuries-old dark threat emerging from our lunar neighbor? Welcome to SpaceVerse, your cosmic gateway to the wonders of the universe. Go on an exhilarating journey through the cosmos as we unravel the mysteries of space, from lunar enigmas to extraterrestrial encounters. Join us as we explore celestial phenomena, delve into groundbreaking space missions, and contemplate the possibilities of life beyond Earth. Subscribe now to become part of our spacefaring community and unlock the secrets of the vast SpaceVerse. Today, we will be going on a century-long expedition as we've been sending probes to the moon for around 100 years. Humans, too, have ventured there, with Buzz Aldrin making history as the second person to set foot on the moon alongside Neil Armstrong during the Apollo 11 mission. Fast forward to Aldrin's jaw-dropping revelation at 84 as he spills the lunar beans in a riveting TV interview. Picture this, a green light shadowing the 1969 moon landing, following Aldrin and Armstrong's every move. What's more, this enigmatic light remained a mystery for over 4 decades. Aldrin, a seasoned space traveler, hinted at explanations that go beyond ordinary rocket stages or sunlit jitters. Dive into the interview's subtle nuances, and you'll sense that Aldrin wasn't buying the conventional narrative. To him, that light was more than just a space oddity. It was a cosmic companion observing their lunar odyssey. Get ready for an exhilarating ride into the unknown, where lunar secrets unfold and the moon's mysteries deepen. Subscribe now for more cosmic revelations, and stay tuned for our next video hits. This wasn't an isolated incident of alien sightings around the moon. In 1971, during the Apollo 12 mission, Alan Bean witnessed a peculiar pillar of light, while Apollo 15 astronaut James Irwin captured footage of an object resembling a flying saucer hovering above the lunar surface. Despite NASA's repeated insistence that such sightings are mere optical illusions or dismissible light phenomena like dust or camera reflections, a growing community holds vastly different explanations. Even though NASA astronauts are bound to silence, a chorus of whistleblower and witnesses, some from within NASA itself, insist that aliens maintain clandestine bases on the moon. Zooming into the 1990s, the plot thickens with U.S. Psychic King Ghost Swan's bestseller. The FBI enlisted Swan for a moon reconnaissance via remote viewing, and what he uncovered in the 1970s sent shivers down his spine. Aliens, engaged in mysterious activities, displayed an unfriendly disposition toward humans. The lingering questions persist. What do these extraterrestrial visitors seek on the moon, and could they pose a real threat? The key to unraveling the mystery lies in a colossal structure. Enter the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, a celestial detective orbiting the moon since 2009. NASA's vigilant probe stumbled upon something monumental within the shadowy realms near the lunar poles: massive deposits of water ice. Brace yourself, as this discovery reshapes our perception of the moon. Gone are the days when we deemed the moon dull, a barren celestial body devoid of life. The truth is far more captivating. There exists water on the moon, enough to fill a small ocean. But the orbiter didn't stop there. It unveiled additional clues, revealing colossal lava tunnels etched across the lunar surface. These telltale signs paint a vivid picture of a moon that was once a geologically dynamic world akin to our own. Prepare to reevaluate everything you thought you knew about our lunar companion, as its hidden secrets unfold in the light of these groundbreaking discoveries. These tunnels aren't just your run-of-the-mill geological oddities. Scientists are acknowledging their potential as future human habitats, offering sanctuary from the moon's harsh temperatures and radiation. As if that weren't enough to spark intrigue, recordings of moon quakes uncovered another mind-bending phenomenon. Smaller meteorite impacts prompted an unusual response. The moon reverberated in a way that led scientists to theorize it could be nearly hollow inside. Picture this: numerous caves on the moon, ideal for habitation. It seems the moon has undergone significant hollowing, and with water on site, it becomes an even more enticing prospect. Could other beings have already contemplated the notion of settling or establishing bases there? Now the allure of the moon for extraterrestrial visitors becomes clearer. The moon isn't just a celestial body. It's a potential haven, offering unique features that could captivate the curiosity of those from beyond our world. Delving into lunar mining is nothing short of captivating. Imagine a mining expert scrutinizing moon images and spotting not just traces, but the distinct outline of a mining vehicle. The evidence is compelling, leading to rumors that extraterrestrial beings have been engaged in moon mining since as far back as the 1950s and 60s. How did this concept materialize for humans? The credit goes to extraordinary individuals, be it the gifted clairvoyant Go Swan or courageous whistleblower from NASA and other institutions who chose to unveil classified information. In the 1970s, Go Swan, utilizing remote viewing, witnessed aliens diligently working within a lunar crater. The pieces fell into place when Swan noticed the correlation between their activities and peculiar behavior. The plot thickens with the revelation that the FBI sought Swan's expertise in moon gazing, underscoring the U.S. government's early awareness of these extraterrestrial lifeforms. Mining on the moon, once a fantastical notion, now stands on the brink of revelation, intertwined with the enigmatic activities of otherworldly miners and the collaborative efforts of insightful individuals uncovering the lunar mysteries. The intrigue deepens as the Chinese venture into the far side of the moon with the Chang'e 5 rover, shedding light on what extraterrestrial beings might be seeking. Researchers from the Faculty of Science in Beijing, analyzing a minuscule lunar rock sample, stumbled upon a rare earth resource, helium-3. This discovery holds the promise of solving our energy crisis and steering Earth away from the brink of climate collapse. Helium-3, an isotope perfect for nuclear fusion, emerges as a clean and highly efficient method of electricity generation, dwarfing the energy output of nuclear fission. Recent revelations prompt contemplation on the possibility that another species, predating us on Earth, may have uncovered these secrets. The focus now shifts to harnessing helium-3, with the tantalizing prospect that a single space shuttle loaded with this raw material could power the entire US for a year. Yet the technical hurdles of cost-effective moon missions loom large, with a single expedition demanding billions. Sustainability remains a challenge for the moment. Nonetheless, the relentless march of technology assures us that, in due time, we will conquer these challenges. If renewable energies fall short in meeting Earth's escalating energy demands, the moon's incredible treasure trove, guarded by the mysteries of helium-3, beckons us for a future rendezvous. The lingering question persists. Are the aliens still on the moon? The enigma surrounding why extraterrestrials find the moon so alluring may soon find answers. Uncertainties persist about the identities of these beings, their origin, and whether they still maintain a presence on the lunar surface. Numerous signs point to the existence of massive spaceships and subterranean passageways on the far side of the moon. Is this the driving force behind China's decision to dispatch the inaugural rover to investigate? Speculations arise concerning Chang'e 5's purported routine mission to scrutinize the seldom explored far side of the moon. However, the truth remains elusive. The information landscape is perplexing, and if we lend credence to numerous informants alleging that NASA and affiliated entities conceal true lunar knowledge, we must entertain the possibility that missions like this harbor undisclosed objectives. As the cosmic puzzle unfolds, the moon's mysteries and potential extraterrestrial connections continue to captivate our collective curiosity. Subscribe now to stay abreast of the unfolding cosmic drama and dive deeper into the enigmatic lunar realm. Are these just ordinary lights or signals from extraterrestrial spacecraft? Delving into the lunar enigma, astronomers have labeled these light phenomena on the moon as transient lunar phenomena, a captivating mystery observed since the earliest days of telescopic lunar scrutiny. Among the moon's mesmerizing spectacles are the intriguing light rays or ray cones emanating from specific craters. These luminous lines, believed to manifest during meteorite impacts, result from swirling lunar material. Some skeptics argue that these phenomena might not always have a natural origin. These transient lunar events unfold with surprising regularity and are scrutinized from Earth using diverse telescopes. Professor Dr. Inhakan Kyle from JMU Verburg, a dedicated researcher in this field, emphasized the urgent need to unravel the origins of these phenomena before contemplating human return missions or establishing settlements on the moon. While not explicitly alluding to extraterrestrial technologies, Professor Kyle's concerns underscore the gaps in our lunar knowledge, raising questions about the potential long-term safety risks for future lunar inhabitants. Subscribe to stay abreast of the evolving lunar mysteries and scientific endeavors to unlock the secrets of Earth's cosmic companion. Are lunar settlements merely a facade? UFO researchers and NASA critics have long posited that the termination of moon missions was prompted by the escalating threat posed by extraterrestrial entities. This speculation gained traction, making NASA's Artemis plans even more surprising. Allegedly, NASA had blueprints for a lunar space station tucked away since the 1980s. The sudden reactivation of these plans raises questions about NASA's current intent and the gravity of their commitment. Since 2017, whispers suggest NASA engineers have been toiling on new rockets and a spacecraft for moon missions, a project marred by constant delays. Behind closed doors, skeptics argue that NASA's return to the moon, as embodied in Artemis, is a smokescreen, a distraction from undisclosed truths. The global public was taken aback when Artemis 1 blasted off on November 16, 2022. The unmanned spacecraft Orion made a lunar flyby before returning, paving the way for Artemis 2, which is set to carry astronauts to the moon in May 2024. Yet, a lunar landing is reserved for Artemis 3's crew, with the launch date still uncertain. Ambitious plans include collaboration with Elon Musk and SpaceX, deploying a space capsule doubling as an exploration vehicle. 2 astronauts are slated for a 2-week sojourn, delving into the mysteries of the moon's South Pole region. And that's it. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic voyage through the SpaceVerse. If you enjoyed our cosmic explorations, don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow space enthusiasts, and hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more mind-bending content. For even deeper dives into the mysteries of the universe, check out our related videos on the screen now. Until our next interstellar rendezvous, keep looking up and keep reaching for the stars.